now we will start with opening out to right and left. Lady starts with right foot. She goes back, replace, forward and then turn. Again, back, replace, forward and turn. Now let's focus on man's steps. Man starts with left foot. He goes to side, replace, close, to side, replace, close. This is called cucaracha to side. And now with teaching count, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now arm exercise. We used in this figure, we turn around hand, put out, put in, again turn around, out, in, turn around, and with other hand we turn around, then go to side out, put in, turn around, go out, pull in, turn around, and lower. And now let's look at steps 1 to 3 of spiral, then forward walks and spiral to fan position. Lady starts with right foot, back, replace, forward, then spiral turn, forward, 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 and again spiral turn, then forward, forward turn, and back, finishing in fan position. And now we will focus on man's steps. Man starts with left foot, to side, replace, close and lead lady into spiral turn, forward, 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 lead lady into spiral turn, back, replace, to side and slightly forward, finishing in fan position. With teaching count, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now some tips for forward walk. We stand on straight knee, free knee is bent, then we strike forward on straight knee, bend, straight, bend free leg, then straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, and bend and step on straight knee. Let's look again. When we start, we are slightly lower in hip, then we push from standing leg, and then we again lower into hip, straight, lower into hip, push, lower into hip, and push, and lower into hip. Hockey stick. We start from fan position. Lady starts with right foot close, forward, forward, place right hand on left shoulder, then forward, forward and turn, and back. Let's look again. This time focus on man's steps. Man starts with left foot from fan position, check forward, replace, close and put left hand on lady's left shoulder, then back, release hold, replace and take hold again and step forward. With teaching count, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now fan position means that ladies' line from ladies' legs comes approximately 15 centimeters from man's foot. Also, ladies' body is in 90 degrees to man's body, and ladies' foot position is back, but man's foot position is to side and slightly forward. Now this is not correct, and this is correct position, because man finishes with forward walk turning. And now Alemana from open position. Lady starts with right foot, back, replace, forward, delayed walk forward, turn forward and to side. Man starts with left foot, check forward, replace, close, back, replace and close. With teaching count and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.